You seek wealth, don't you? You chase success, believing that once you have enough, you will finally be at peace. But let me ask you, how can you help others, support your family, or even pursue your dreams if you do not have the resources? Money is not evil, my child. It is simply a tool. Used wisely, it can build, uplift, and transform lives. But tell me, what is wealth to you? Let me tell you a story. A young man once traveled across the land to meet a great Zen master. He was desperate. "Master," he said, "I work hard, I strive for success, but I remain stuck in the same place. What is the secret to wealth?" The master simply handed him a jar and a sack of stones. "Fill this jar with as many stones as you can," the master instructed. The young man eagerly filled it, thinking he had completed the task. But then the master handed him a bag of pebbles and asked him to add them. To his surprise, the pebbles slipped into the gaps. Then the master took a handful of sand and poured it in, filling the tiny spaces. Finally, he took a cup of water and poured it in, making the jar completely full. Then he asked the young man, "What does this mean?" The young man thought hard but remained silent. The master explained, "The large stones are your biggest priorities, your purpose, your health, your relationships. The pebbles are your work and responsibilities. The sand represents distractions, and the water is the endless noise of the world. If you fill your jar with sand first, there is no room for the important things. But if you start with the big stones, everything else will find its place." So my child, are you filling your jar with sand? You chase wealth, but do you invest in the most valuable asset, your mind? The true millionaire understands this. Money is a tool, not a master. True wealth begins with clarity, discipline, and a mindset that sees abundance, not scarcity. You wish to be rich? Then focus on these 3 lessons. First, master your time. Stop wasting it on things that do not serve your purpose. Every moment is an investment. Are you spending it on growth or distractions? Second, master your mind. A wandering mind is like a leaking jar. No matter how much wealth you pour in, it will always feel empty. Discipline your thoughts, and you will attract abundance effortlessly. Third, master your value. Money flows to those who solve problems. If you wish to become a millionaire, do not chase money. Chase the ability to provide solutions. The greater the problem you solve, the greater your wealth will be. Now ask yourself, what are the stones in your jar? Are you placing them first, or are you drowning in the sand of distractions? Remember, true wealth is not just about money. It is about mastery of your mind, your actions, and your purpose. If you understand this, then you are already on the path to abundance. Use your wealth wisely, not just for yourself, but for those around you. Now go and fill your jar wisely. Did this story resonate with you? If so, take a moment to reflect. What are the biggest stones in your jar? Let me know in the comments. And if you found wisdom in these words, help others discover it too. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more timeless lessons on success and inner peace. Until next time, walk the path wisely.